One thing I really enjoy with our Kaimahi PD would probably be the whakawhanaungatanga. So we all get to start together as one company, as one whole body, which is an awesome way to start the day. So that's probably my main thing, getting to see everybody, you know, not just the people you work with every day. I think I really like to start my day off with kapa haka. I think, you know, I do love the hitoria that we get, which is also really important, but it's nothing better than, you know, having a bit of waita and a bit of a bout out in the morning, you know, it gets the wairua flowing. So yeah, that's probably my second favourite thing.